Hello everyone, my name is Jamonte Perkins, and this is my Deconstruct an App for mobile user experience for the month of December 2015. The app that we were given to deconstruct here today is Todoist, and I'll be demonstrating that on an iPhone 6 Plus. So let's go ahead and jump right into it here. Who is it for? What are the target users and what are their needs? The target users for an app such as Todoist would be anyone who would like to maintain or keep track of specific tasks throughout the day or want to be reminded about certain things they need to do. On screen, I have the app pulled up on the right side. What are the functions of the app and what can the user do? So the function of the app is the user can set tasks to be displayed. So for today, I have record my deconstruct video. So if I tap on that, I'm greeted with a nice little drop down where I can set a timer, add comments, move it to a different date, or I can complete it, or I can change the title of it. Within the app, the user also can swipe to check off certain tasks, or swipe again to move them to a different date. I really enjoy swipe gestures. That's something that I would love when app developers implement. Down at the bottom is a plus sign, and the user can enter new task. And they also can hit this little icon in the right corner to categorize the task, set it for a certain date, add reminders. One thing I will say is that this app does have a few paywalls, so such as setting a timer for when you want it to notify you about an upcoming task something you have labeled. It is a premium feature, so you would have to pay whatever the price is to get that premium feature. Up top you have a menu icon where you can edit multiple items and search for tasks if you have a long list. And then over here it brings you to where you can see your inbox, which is basically all of your completed tasks. Your today, which is the task you have for today, and the next 7 days so you can look ahead. Down at the bottom it just gives you a little categories you can divide your things into. You also can add new. And labels, again, are a premium feature, so you would have to purchase the app to get to those. And you have filters. I do like up here that you get like a little weekly view that shows, when you check the app. You also get a little daily streak. So if you're a person who likes goals and achievements and things like that, then the little daily streak at the bottom is something that would definitely keep a person going to continue to use the app and check off tasks on a day-to-day basis. How do those functions work? I basically explained that in the last one. Users can create things they're looking for. It's really simple, pretty easy. How well designed is the app itself? I feel like the app is pretty well designed. Like I said, I really enjoy the inclusion of swipe gestures. I really like swipe gestures. And I also really like the little plus sign at the bottom to quickly add new tasks. That's really nice and handy. How well does it meet the user's needs? I feel like an app like this would meet the user's needs very well. It's very intuitive, it's very quick and fast, minimal lag if any, none really at all. Again, you have where you can divide it up, personal shopping, things like that, so it helps the user keep their tasks even more organized. How does it compare to the web version? I do have the web version pulled up here. It's all pretty much the same. On the web version, you do lose the swipe gestures, that's understandable. You can also access your score and productivity here, your inbox today and next 7 days, filters and labels, again, premium feature. But it's pretty much the same as the app. I do enjoy that also, that they do have a web client if you're not near a device, so that's very handy. How could it be improved? I would improve on this app by, I guess, making it a little more customizable for users, like changing the color of the background or adding your own backgrounds or things like that. Me personally, I use Wunderlist as my to-do list or to check off things, or that's where I make my grocery lists. And I like to share it with people, so I share it with my girlfriend. So as we're going down the aisles, she'll check off something or I'll check off something just to make sure that we're picking up everything we need and things like that. So I guess that would be something I would add into this. I guess it would be like a shared feature where you can share lists with other people, and it syncs immediately, like Wunderlist, to where when I check something off, she'll see it, or when she checks something off, I'll see it. Well, that is all for my review of the Todoist app, and thank you for watching.